Hey, what's up, traders? To watch this video for Friday, can you believe it? Friday, October 9th. Showing you the SPY here. We had a gap up, but a pretty darn narrow range. Look at 5-minute candles. Just, here's where it opened. And then 6.5 hours later, here's where it closed. That is not a great trading scenario. Having said that, the teamwork's been fantastic. And I've got to slide this over. I've been dwelling on this all week. Self-loathing for a week, right? Because I had that disaster on Monday. Not quite a green dot, but I'm actually green for the week. So I must have, this Friday's high would have been right here. So I guess I'm still below Friday's high, but Monday was my disaster. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm super proud of this. It might sound like I'm being braggy or whatever. I don't know about braggy, but I am definitely super proud of this to overcome this because of the mental aspect of it in 3 days. And I would venture to say, well, these are probably my 3 best trading days that I've ever strung together. Not ever, but for this year. And the thing I'm most proud of is I did it by, after my disaster, logging in, cutting my position size down, staying focused, and taking the trades and paying myself along the way, and obviously not breaking any rules. But usually when I do something like this, I log in and my position size is set to 5,000 shares, and I might click it 2 or 3 times because I've got revenge in my heart. I didn't do anything resembling that. I did this in complete reversal or retracement of that sell-off in 3 days, just taking normal size. So I'm super proud of that, because back in the day, I would have just, probably come unglued for the next 2 weeks, and it would have taken me at least 2 weeks to get back to where I was. I basically did it in 3 days, so I'm super proud of it. Anyway, this is the trades for that same period. No, that's not right. Yeah, the equity curve is from May 1st till today. So this was Monday, and that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, getting right back up. These numbers are my last 3 days. These numbers right here. I took a screenshot of just Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and really proud of these numbers too. So anyway, enough of that. Enough talking about myself, but again, I thought I was going to be, self-loathing and screwing up for the next couple weeks. I also want to slide this over because I thought it was really nice what Stephen H.E. posted in chat today. I'm not going to sit here and read it, but Wayne tweeted it. If you follow Wayne on Twitter, you can read it there as well. But it was really nice of him. And those of you who know me, you heard me talking about on Tuesday. Always you put in the half price link for chat room members for the course, right? I try to put that out a couple times a week. I put it out on Tuesday, and I said something like, I don't even feel worthy of trying to sell a course after I did what I did on Monday. And that wasn't just me babbling. I really feel that way. I feel like a fraud when I break all my rules and fall apart like I did on Monday. I feel like a fraud for running a chat room, and I feel like a fraud for teaching a course, because I feel like I should be past that. I feel like I should be past any kind of day like that. If I have a day where I hit my daily loss limit, fine. That's, absolutely. Absolutely, I should be running a chat room because I know I'm really a steady trader. But when I do what I did on Monday, it makes me feel like a fraud for running a chat room. It really does. So I know it's a stupid way I'm wired, but that's the way I'm wired. So anyway, the small caps have been amazing. And here's what, keep in mind when you watch my videos, here's the watch list for Friday. Keep in mind, I am in cash every night. I do not hold anything overnight. And so this list right here is a list of things that might give me a intraday A+ setup the next day, right? So GameStop was halted on news, and the news was a collaboration or something with Microsoft. And it's the only thing I was watching when it came out of the halt. And I made way less in it than I feel like I should have. And actually, it's still running now. Right now, it's 14.74 in after hours. But I still had a couple nice trades in it, pullback trades, and Wayne's great call too, which I'll show you, was right here. Second mouse through 1350. Worst case stop below the previous 5, and it just rode the 8 and then really kind of started its short squeeze. But we said in chat when this was halted, this is the one to watch because there's a ton of shorts in the name. The news sounds really good, and a possible squeeze. And squeeze, it did. All right, so anyway, back to the daily. We're definitely going to watch that one again tomorrow. CVV, I don't love this because you had this big day and then you had the gap down and kind of an indecision day, right? Closed right about where it opened. So I don't love this at all because you still have everybody from, say, here yesterday and up underwater. but you also have a lot of people that are green in the name. So I do think it's worth watching for a third day play. RKT is Rocket Mortgage. A few days ago, it hit 23.40. Today, it hit 23.39. So it's certainly interesting over that area. I had a nice pullback play in that one, which I described over the mic and projection during lunch. I literally got partial fill at 22.84, the very bottom of this candle. And my best sell was right up here in the 23.30. So it's not a huge trade, but those of you who know me know why I bid right there, right? And why I scaled out near the highs. So that was a neat little pullback play, and certainly held up well enough to be worth watching tomorrow. That's RKT. ATEC, just a big breakout today. We'll see if it gives any kind of follow-through setup. MXC, the baby oils got going today. That's not an errant tick. It actually did go up to almost 9 before settling in at 6. So those of you who know me know I don't love this because a lot of people underwater closed way off its highs. But any kind of oil movement tomorrow, oil plays moving, this is certainly one to watch. All right, OPTT. I don't love this either, but it did have a huge move. And then now you've got 2 red days getting down near the moving averages. So potential bounce play for tomorrow. IO, potential third day play. You had the big pop, quiet inside day. Looking for a third day play there. Sun W is kind of a squinky looking chart, but after the gap up, and it did have news to justify this gap, now you've got a 2 red day, two red days in a row. Potential bounce play tomorrow. Tilray, TLRY. All the pot stocks got moving. I'm not happy about it because it's the market pricing in a certain victory in November, which scares the crap out of me. But I still wanted to have one pot stock on watch, so I put Tilray on watch. BHC, nice pop today. Pretty strong close. Maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. Maybe that number 18 comes into play. A couple more. JMIA, big breakout of a 1 month, maybe 5 week range today on strong volume. And then lastly, Mark, which is not a great trader, but it's trading at $1.38 right now in after hours. So potential gapper there tomorrow if it's still gapping in the morning. All right, I'm done babbling. I'll see y'all in chat in the morning.